Hi students, I am Naresh. Welcome to my channel Jet I Teach. Exercise 1.3, question number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, we need to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. To prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational to the contrary. Okay, you can assume this number is a rational number. So, if it is a rational number, we can write this number as a by b, where a and b are co-prime. Co-prime means there is no common factors. B not equal to 0. You can simplify this one. Okay, you can write this as a minus 3b by b. Okay, now you can write root 5 is a minus 3b by, so 2 is multiplying here, so it will be divisible there, 2b. Okay, we got this one. Okay, so what we did, we just separated rational numbers and irrational numbers, because we know that root 5 is irrational, right? So we separated this one. You can have a look at LHS term. LHS root 5, this is irrational number. Irrational number. How it is irrational number? It is a fact, we know that. Okay, it is a fact. We can check the right hand side now. A minus 3b by 2b. So it is a rational number. So why it is a rational number? So 3 is a rational number. 3 is a rational number, 2 is a rational number. We know that a and b also those are the rational numbers and integers. 2, 3, a, b all are integers. So we can write it as a rational number. It's a combination. Okay, now we know that irrational number is not equal to rational number. Okay, we know that irrational number not equal to rational number. Okay, so LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, you can write the conclusion now. this contradiction has arises because of our incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, let me explain this again. Okay, to prove this number, so initially we assumed that this number is a rational number. So since it is a rational number, I wrote as a by b form. Okay, after that I simplified and I separated a rational and irrational terms. So if you look at LHS, that is a root 5, it is a irrational number, that we know that it is a fact. Okay, RHS, if you look at RHS, all terms are integers. Okay, so that is clearly it is a rational number, but we know that irrational number will not be equal to rational number, so LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, this contradiction has arises. Okay, this contradiction has arises because of our incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Okay, so we can conclude that this number 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. You can see example 10, show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, you need to prove this one. Okay, to prove 5 minus root 3 is irrational, first you can assume this number is a rational number, to the contrary. Okay, since it is a rational number, you can write it as 5 minus root 3 equal to a by b. Where a and b are co-prime, b not equal to 0, because division by 0 is not allowed. You can simplify this one now. You can take a rational number one side and irrational numbers other side. So you can write a by b left hand side and root 3 is right hand side. 5 minus ab equal to root 3. Okay. Okay, it's a simple form. First you can take LHS in this. LHS equal to 5 minus a by b. Okay, So it is a rational number because so all are integers. Okay, it will be a rational number. Rational number. Okay, you can have a look at RHS. RHS equal to root 3. It is a irrational number. How you know that it is a irrational number? It is a fact. Okay, in earlier theorems and questions we proved this one. Root 3 is a irrational number. We know that rational number not equal to irrational number. Okay, so LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, this LHS not equal to RHS, this contradiction has arises because of our incorrect assumption that phi minus root 3 is rational. So we conclude that phi minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, I will explain this once. Okay, assume phi minus root 3 is a rational to the contrary. Okay, so since it is a rational, you can write as a by b form. Okay, we just simplify it, and rational numbers one side and irrational numbers other side I wrote. Okay, now LHS equal to phi minus a by b. If you look at this one, all are integers. Okay, so clearly it is a rational number. Okay, if you look at RHS, root 3 is irrational number. It is a fact. Okay, we know that. Also, we know that rational number will not be equal to irrational number. So it's mean that LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, this contradiction has arises, okay, because of our incorrect assumption that phi minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, we assumed that phi minus root 3 is rational, right? So that is an incorrect assumption. So because of that, we got LHS not equal to RHS. So we conclude that so given number phi minus root 3 is irrational. Example 11, show that 3 root 2 is irrational. Okay, to prove this number as a rational number, we can assume that, so this is a rational number. Assume okay, since it is a 3 root 2 is rational number, okay, you can write this number as a by b, where a and b are co-prime, b not equal to 0. Okay, if you simplify this one, root 2 equal to a by 3b. Okay, you can look at LHS. Root 2, it is a irrational number. Okay, it is a fact. Okay, you can have a look at RHS. A minus 3b, it is a rational number. Okay, why it is a rational number? So these are all are integers. Okay, so it is a rational number. Now we know that irrational number not equal to rational number. We know this one. Okay, rational number is not equal to irrational number, or irrational number not equal to rational number. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, why LHS and RHS are not equal? Because of our incorrect assumption. Okay, you can write that one now. This contradiction has arises because of our incorrect assumption. Incorrect assumption. What is our incorrect assumption? 5 minus. What is our incorrect assumption? 3 root 2 is rational. So we conclude that 3 root 2 is irrational. Okay, I will explain this one now once. Okay, we assumed 3 root 2 is a rational number. To the contrary, okay, so since it is a rational number, we wrote as a by b form. Okay, we simplified, and left hand side irrational numbers, right hand side rational numbers. I have taken like LHS and RHS. LHS is simply it's a irrational number, it is a fact. Okay, so root 2 is a irrational number. So RHS is a by 3b. Okay, these are all are integers, so it is a rational, it is a clearly it is a rational number. Okay, we know that irrational number not equal to rational number, so LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, why LHS is not equal to RHS? So this contradiction has arises because of our incorrect assumption that that 3 root 2 is a rational number. So because of this incorrect assumption, so we got LHS is not equal to RHS. So we conclude that 3 root 2 is irrational number. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel.